Chapter 5, exercise 5.3, question number 1. Find the sum of the first 40 integers divisible by 6. Given that 40 positive integers divisible by 6 is 6, 12, 18, so on. A is equal to 6, D is equal to A2 minus A1, 12 minus 6 is equal to 6, N is equal to 40. We know that N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A40 is equal to 6 plus 40 minus 1 into D is equal to 6. 6 plus 40 minus 1 is equal to 39 into 6. 6 plus 39 into 6, 234. Therefore 6 plus 240 A40 is equal to 240.